11 early warning signs of diabetes you shouldn't ignore. Welcome to Bloom. Diabetes happens when your body isn't properly processing the sugar from the food you eat. This results in extra sugar building up in your bloodstream. If not caught early, this can cause a wide range of damage to the body's organs, including your heart, kidneys, eyes, and nervous system. In today's video, we will go over 11 early warning signs of diabetes you shouldn't ignore. Keep watching to see what the most important warning signs are that tell you that you may have diabetes. Number 1. Frequent urination. If you find yourself going to the bathroom more than usual, you could have diabetes. The average person passes urine between 4 and 7 times in 24 hours. People with diabetes tend to urinate a lot more than the average person. Due to the excess glucose or sugar in the blood, the kidneys try to eliminate the sugar by making more urine. Number 2. Excessive thirst. It's perfectly normal to be thirsty after eating salty foods, spending time in the hot sun, or after doing strenuous exercises. All you have to do is drink more fluids and you will quench your thirst. But people with diabetes may feel thirsty all the time. This causes dry mouth and the feeling can continue even after drinking plenty of water. Number 3. Blurred vision. Blurred vision isn't always simply a sign of needing new glasses. Blurred vision is often one of the first warning signs of diabetes. Changes in fluid levels can cause swelling in the lenses of the eyes, which prevents them from focusing correctly. Over time, high blood sugar levels can also damage the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, and if left untreated, can lead to permanent vision changes and even blindness. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 4. Feeling tired or weak. Oftentimes, feeling tired or weak is a result of working too hard and not getting enough rest, but these could also be early warning signs of diabetes. In diabetes, feeling tired occurs as a result of insufficient sugar moving from the bloodstream into the body's cells. Number 5. Pain or numbness in the feet or legs. When the sugar in the blood remains high for a long period of time, this can cause nerve damage. When this occurs, you start to feel numbness and tingling in your hands and feet. Number 6. Itching and yeast infections. Yeast naturally lives in the human body. Problems arise when the yeast overgrows, causing a fungal infection. Yeast feed on sugar. The excess sugar in the blood and urine that occurs with diabetes provide plenty of food for yeast, which can lead to a yeast infection. Yeast is most likely to grow excessively in areas that are warm and moist, including the mouth, the genital area, the feet, and in skin folds. Want more videos like this? Give us a like and let us know in the comment section below. Number 7. Slow healing wounds. If you notice that little scratches or sores heal more slowly than usual, diabetes could be the cause. High levels of sugar in the blood can make it harder for blood to move through the blood vessels. Poor blood circulation results in slow wound healing. Number 8. Always feeling hungry or increased appetite. Hunger is your body's way of telling you that it needs more food. When you're hungry, you may feel irritable, get a headache, your stomach may growl, or you may be unable to concentrate. In most cases, people go several hours between meals without feeling hungry again. When you have diabetes, you are hungry all of the time, and this is because your body doesn't properly use the energy in the foods you eat. Normally, the body converts the foods that you eat into glucose that your cells will then use for energy. Your body will use insulin to take the glucose from the blood into the cells. People with diabetes have a problem producing insulin or enough insulin. Their cells may also resist the insulin that the body makes. This prevents the cells from getting the glucose that they need, making you continue to feel hungry. Number 9. Unexpected weight loss. Weight loss of just a pound or 2 isn't a reason for concern, but unexplained weight loss of 10 pounds or more could be an early warning sign of diabetes. With diabetes, your cells have trouble getting glucose into them to use for energy. This causes the body to start burning fat and muscle for energy, resulting in unexpected weight loss. Number 10. Irritability. Diabetes affects much more than your blood sugar. Due to the fluctuations in blood sugar, it can contribute to rapid mood changes as the body tries to cope. Poor management of your blood sugar can lead to negative moods and leave you feeling angry, frustrated, irritable, and sad. Number 11. fruity or sweet-smelling breath. With diabetes, the body has problem with getting the energy it needs from glucose, causing it to burn fat in its place. The burning of fat results in a buildup of acids in your blood called ketones. This results in a fruity or sweet-smelling breath odor. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.